Hello guys, this is karambit knife.
Go! Alice, go!
The color is black, made of pencil or ball pen. Okay guys, now the karambit is gone because my karambit is throwing out. Bye karambit. My karambit is so nice. The color is so nice.